right now. And baby, I want to show you how. Come on. You know that we've waited long enough, and now it's time to be lovers. I tried to be only one with you, and it's hard, but it's worth it all for you. And it's hard making me wait for you this way. I can't go on, so come on and take